Hey y'all, hey, it's Mystic Dream. Get some water for a start. This thing came with like 3 tops, and I can't find nothing but this one that I gotta keep unscrewing, not the one with the little map hole in it or whatever. Drinking my lemon water. That's that bad bitch juice. You better get on the lemon water. Okay. To start with, I was gonna start with the big deck. As soon as I picked them up. Let me do this. Good energy. I already called on all protection, did the protection thing that we need. Okay, I was gonna start the big deck, but these fell out first. And they hit the floor, so I felt like that was a message. So we're gonna start with these. First one I picked up was Big. Storm. Playing with your top. Okay, with that, I'm getting somebody that's been playing with your mental. Or just playing with your head, period. About to have a big storm come through. A big tower moment. It's about to hit their ass. Yeah, and I'm also seeing like a big storm is coming, you know, like in the weather as well. Big storm coming, but somebody who was
Battery low.
ooh, somebody that was playing with your top. They about to reap what they sow. Let me turn that off. Yeah, so that was the first message. The first thing to hit the floor. They're about to have a major tower moment. Then make the effort. It pays to have a plan. So, if somebody's trying to start something new, go ahead and make the effort. Just have a plan. Whatever you're trying to do, just have a plan. Be ambitious about it. But also have a plan in place as well. Like a backup plan or something. Just in case, you know, things don't go all the way as planned. But go ahead and make the effort. Please have a plan. And then I get you lose baby mama. Somebody done lost their baby mama. Probably playing with her top, and they finna had to go through this big tower moment. Somebody lost their baby mama. And I don't know, I feel like this person did all kind of stuff to this baby mama, and this baby mama is just tired. She's like, no, game over. I'm done. I'm done playing games. Tired of being your superhero. I'm tired of fighting. So that's your loss. Want to steal your gift. 222. New beginning. What's it? I think Express Yourself came out with it. Yeah, somebody like people want to steal your shine, your gift, because you had a new beginning, and you need to express yourself. Let these people know I know what the hell y'all doing, or just vent to somebody. Quit holding this in because you're about to have a new beginning. You already had a new beginning, and these people are mad that you're gifted, and they're trying to steal your gift. They're mad because you express yourself, and they're unable to. You're very creative. You know how to, start something new Eat it out there, create, innovate. And these people don't understand, how do you do this? How does she do this? How does he do this? So they want to steal your shine. They want to steal your gift. Of course, you know, we always got voodoo dolls. Somebody that's mentally ill is playing with voodoo dolls and black magic. Yeah, somebody's about to call themselves to have a major tower moment, as we've seen previously. And this tower moment gonna be this mental illness. Because they doing this black magic and they're playing with voodoo dolls. I just wish people would realize it's another way of doing things instead of going to, they don't want me to say it, black magic and voodoo dolls. It's just crazy. And then after that, third party fell out. So this could be a third party person or 3 women. I'm going to say something else, but 3 women that's got, one man got a voodoo doll, one doing black magic, but they all mentally ill. I don't care. But this third party might be just one person, but split personalities. She got a mental illness, so she does from doing all this black magic and playing with voodoo dolls. Because she realized he was just using you, baby. He was just using you. Yeah, she mad because she got left out in the cold. So she resorted to doing magic and turned into a beast. She's a shapeshifter. She's got a demonic little entity to her. These people watch you on the internet because they think you're a superhero. You're a star. You see all these stars around. Think you're a star. They think you are amazing. They're trying to figure out, how does she do this? Somebody thinks you're so beautiful. Somebody watching you because you're beautiful. Somebody watching you because you're very photogenic. You're like a jack of all trades. You got a lot of different stuff going on. Like every time they see you, you look different or something. It's something about your appearance, something that makes you a star. And then 888, just like luck. You know, because somebody feel like you're just too lucky, like you always get something come your way. I don't know. And then on the top over here, we got 3434. It might be significant for somebody, 3434. Yeah, and look, they're competing with you. They're competing with you. You don't even know these people is competing with you, and they just competing with you and talking about you ugly. But they ass is really ugly. 3434 is what? Patience. Positivity. Not even studying these people. And they're competing with that because you are very humble. But yeah. But all that, I almost don't even want to pull that because they hit the flow. Somebody about to go through a major tower moment. A lot of people are playing with your top. And you stay 10 toes down. They mad because you took that leap of faith and spoke your truth. And somebody might have lost some weight and they looking good. Improve your health, have more energy. You got they like your energy. You got big energy. Yeah. Yeah, you telling these people, I know what you did. I know what you're doing. I see clearly. I know exactly what you're doing. Let's see, any more messages? Hold all these. Hold all of them. Any messages? Any messages? Somebody wants your help. Somebody want to learn how to detox. Yeah, I want to detox from this toxicity. Toxic. Somebody's very toxic, but they want your help. They They're trying to detox. Because you wear your crown. They see you sitting on your throne wearing your crown. You sitting in your power. And they're trying to figure out how you do this. But their ass is too toxic. They can't. They can't do it by themselves. So they're going to need some help. And I'm going to start getting like, somebody need to help these toxic people go to the light. Because all that dark stuff they're doing is not working. Somebody need to eat healthy. Somebody need to eat more fruits and vegetables. Somebody might need to work on their crown chakra. Because they're trying to put toxic thoughts in your brain, in your mental. Yeah, so you can come to them and they can do what they want to do. I feel like somebody needs to be in somebody's energy to even do for the black magic to even work. So they're trying to play this role, talking about come and help me. Yeah, and somebody's stealing somebody's money. Yeah, they fake. What is this? Maybe an air sign. But yeah, air. I don't know why Libra is sticking out. Capricorn. But you're like, who cares? Y'all can have that little money. Y'all can do what y'all gonna do, but guess what? You're not gonna get me to be toxic. You're not gonna get me. Don't keep being sneaky trying to steal something. Who cares? You're not gonna get me. You're back, you chilling, sitting back, watching a movie, eating your popcorn. Look, it popped out again. Speak your truth. Good news is coming in. Somebody about to get some good news. Somebody may... Good news. Somebody's about to have to speak out, like in court. And the verdict is going to go in your favor. Whatever it is, somebody just need to tell the truth. Somebody in their 20s. Somebody in their 20s don't want you to speak the truth. Look, no. Or somebody's been doing something to somebody for 20 years and you like, they're trying to say, no, I'm not. And you like, yes, you are. You need to speak your truth. Somebody's been doing something to somebody for 20 plus years and they're trying to deny it or whatever. But it says speak your truth and you'll get good news in the outcome. Somebody's gonna get 20 years in jail. Change. Because they need to change. And they don't want to change. And they haven't changed. Anything else? Anything else? Oh, what is that? Delicious Mexican food. Somebody told somebody to detox from all this greasy food. Greasy food is low vibrational. Don't get me wrong, it look good. Somebody need to detox maybe from drinking and probably dairy food or something. Somebody want to take somebody out to go get some Mexican food. Yep, because they think you're beautiful. I want to take somebody out for dinner and drinks. I'm going to take it to like a Mexican restaurant or I'm saying hibachi. Like where they cook in front of you or something. Anything else? Red flags. Blocked. Oh, somebody don't want to accept it. Somebody don't want to accept the food. You know it's a red flag. You know they're trying to get you. They're trying to get back in your good graces, like I said, to get in your energy. Get in your energy. But you notice the red flags. Then you block the ass. You ain't accepting nothing. Because you winning right now. You ain't trying to go back. You winning, and you notice their red flags. You use your intuition and block this person. Because this person is not what you want. You know, this person just want to snake you. Yes, you look, divine. You listen to your divine guidance. Look, 111. Yes. You use your intuition. Relax. No, it ain't but out my own ear. Look, he or she is fake. He or she is fake. A fake friend. Game over. No deal. Look, a past love. I told you they want to come back get your good girl. Look, walk away. Keep going. Yeah, that he made talk about I can't face you right now because you won't accept my offer. You won't let me come back and do this magic on you. You said fuck him. And money coming in soon. Look, I told you something about that food. Raise your vibration. They're trying to lower your vibration. You talking about you don't fuck with me. No, I don't fuck with you because you're a scammer. You're a scammer. Trying to scam me out of my energy, out of my high vibration, my destiny. You know, my growth. No. Yeah, then you always playing victim. But you are a star. And this person is a pleasure seeker. You got a hidden, it's a hidden info, but a hidden agenda. Because you know, you kind of gullible. You loving and caring. Or whatever. He trying to use that to his advantage. But just be patient. If they in the past, it's a past love, but they in the past for a reason. Be patient. New love is coming in. New opportunities, new everything. It's a brand new you. Yeah, you know, live a simple life. Ooh, somebody hungry. I hope y'all didn't hear that. Ooh, that was loud. He is hungry for you. Hungry for your loving. Yeah, because he know you're a divine feminine. You're a divine feminine or divine masculine. They know you're divine. And what it say? The simple life. What my candle over there say? Keep it simple. Keep life simple. Keep life simple. The simple life. Doing all this magic. No, all you got to do is trust in the divine and believe you can achieve. This person is a karmic. Karmic with the letters, name, first name, last name, middle name. Letters start on B, D, C, H, K, L, Q, J, X, Y, V, W, P, F, and A, M, and A. So, you know, anybody with any of these letters, any part of their name, I'm talking to you. Yes, and your beautiful ass is finna start traveling. Just be patient. Your beautiful ass is about to be traveling, doing all kind of new, seeing new sceneries, new things in life. Things you ain't never seen before. Yeah. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? What's this? Good life. This street nigga wanna live a good life. Don't come for my all. This street nigga wanna live a good life with you. Or a street nigga wanna come to you and live a good life so y'all can travel with your beautiful ass. Good nigga. Nah, what is a street nigga? Street nigga. Welcome to a mind of a maniac. Street nigga. Street nigga. You said, nah, I don't want him a street nigga. It's all love. I'm tired of that. I'm too old for that. I'm too grown for that. Open your eyes. Open your eyes and see what. And just chill. Open your eyes and just chill. something new. New person might like sports. You talking about I need you, baby. It might be a ball player, NBA player. Might be somebody overseas, play ball overseas. That's why you're going to be traveling. Yeah, he might be a street nigga over here. Y'all gonna be making sex tapes. And somebody done made a sex tape with you without your knowledge. Got a snake among you. Somebody may be receiving unexpected communication about this sex tape that was made, and you didn't know that you were even I'm getting OnlyFans. Somebody made an OnlyFans page without your knowledge about the internet. About to receive some type of unexpected communication about this in the near future. About a sex tape made unbeknownst to you. That might be what the court situation is. Yeah, you're going to have to speak your truth in court. Yeah, somebody been making money off somebody else, a sex tape. Or somebody trying to expose somebody about a sex tape. This person said they were in poverty, they were getting money from this. Or somebody about to receive a towel moment and be in poverty from making money off this sex tape without your knowledge. Somebody's brother may have something to do with this, or the brother know what's going on about the sex tape. I hope nobody make no sex tape with that brother. No, the brother done seen the sex tape. This may have happened in the spring. Or this may be happening in the spring. There's going to be a lot of baggage to come with this. Somebody may wear a backpack. Or like carry like the man bag. Or I always get like just bags. Or somebody's always got like just got a lot of baggage to come with them or something. Somebody's driving by somebody's house and they want to talk. Because they feel like you transform. And they want to talk it out. Let's straighten it out. Let's straighten it out. No. You did that at first. Yeah, there's levels to this shit. This somebody used to get rooms with. They don't record you in the room. Somebody need to let go of what was and move forward. That's this person that want to talk and want to straighten it out. You need to let go and move forward. He or she needs to let go and move forward. Look, block their ass. Block them. Block their ass. This person don't want you to be content. No, this person wants you to be content with them. And you like, no, I know I deserve bigger and better things. You're not even on my level. Yeah, they need to get a grip. You get bad vibes off this person. What is this? You may be a hairdresser. Or, like I said, you switch it up a lot. or hairdresser had something to do with his sex tape. Hard on him. This is a message for a hairdresser. You hard on him. Yeah, you're a bad bitch. Smile, bitch. Smile, bitch. Come on. Somebody get new love. Oh, look, hidden camera. Yeah, somebody got a sex tape. Somebody was on candid camera. Smile. Somebody was on hidden camera. They don't even know this sex tape even exists. Somebody's gonna get some new love. This person think you got some walk. This person gonna level your game up. This person gonna be in the bag. Wait a minute, bag done came out twice. Nah, I'm giving. You live up your game. You live up your game. So you're gonna have so much profit in whatever you're doing. Level it up. Use your intuition. And think positive and don't quit. Don't quit. Let me get it out. Because you're a queen. And they spread rumors, but it ain't nothing. You still stepping in your power. You a queen. They spread rumors about you. But guess what? You getting paid. You getting paid. But they getting paid to spread rumors about you. Yeah, that's in reverse. They want you to lose your job. Whatever you're doing. If you're doing hair, people are trying to give you bad reviews or whatever, trying to, mess up your money. But guess what? They can't mess with you. It's in reverse. They can't mess with you. You're authentic. They're trying to poison people. You're a hard worker. So just forget about it. Free yourself. Somebody's soulmate is coming in. I'm going to be traveling. Pray for this. I wish a bitch would. Let's see. I'll put these up. Do the storm. I'm gonna clarify, see what's what. Here's it at. See who's doing this black magic. Let's see. Let's see if we can get some messages out of here. I'm gonna clarify the storm. What's the storm spirit? What's this storm? What's this storm? Right now, okay, what is that? Got some money. So somebody official. Money. Hope. What's this stone? Give me two more, please. Give me two more, please. Okay, this is somebody that's like very stern. Like it's a male figure about to go through a storm, about to have money issues. This person is hoping and praying that this surprise, he keeps saying bag, that this bag, I don't know, this person's an enemy. This person's watching you. This is a male figure, a male that is like a like an emperor type person, like, you know, very stern, stubborn. This person's about to receive some money issues, and he's hoping and praying that somebody keep the blind eye and don't come to realization that he done stole this money. But it's about to be a surprise witness, a surprise. This person got a bag of money hidden somewhere. This person got a bag of money hidden, got the money hidden somewhere. Yeah, this person is like, them turned it to your enemy. This person was watching you. Yeah, because this person don't want to go to jail. Like I said, it might be a surprise witness because it did come out. Somebody about to be a surprise witness for somebody in jail. Somebody's in mental prison right now. Somebody's literally about to go to jail for stealing somebody's money. And it's going to come to him as a surprise. Like he don't know what's going on. He's going to act so surprised. But this person has the money hidden somewhere. And he knows somebody's watching him. He's watching you. He's watching you watch him, I guess. He's watching you and somebody watching him. He's about to go to jail. He's hoping and praying his secret don't come out. The police watching his ass. Yeah, he want to put an end to this young lady. And this is a lover. Well, I got to receive that storm. Let's see. That's black magic. What's this black magic spirit? Who's doing this black magic? Who's doing the black magic spirit? Somebody fake. False person. That is very sneaky. Doing this in the house, in the closure of their home. It's a woman. This lady is sad. Black magic. Ooh. It's a group of people. Yeah, you're about to receive some type of message about this person. This person is in despair. This person is trying to send something to somebody's house to cause them to go mentally ill. This person is about to go mentally ill because this person was, you know, doing this like happily doing this, eager to do this. Somebody about to receive some message about this fake person that's sending stuff to their house for them to be sad. Look, sending death to your house, sending demonic entities to your house so you can go crazy. But what I'm getting is it done went back to her. Yeah, this service she's doing. This is somebody's wife. And now she want to journey towards you. She feel like you transform. person is an enemy. This person is paying somebody overseas a lot of money to do this, to this dependable young woman, and she want to reunite with you because you're faithful, you're a sweetheart. And this is somebody that's supposed to love you, but the Lord is watching her ass be this pleasure seeker. And then she trying to study in this room, trying to learn how to do more magic. But it's not working. Look, she hoping and praying. Hoping and praying that this stuff work. She's a thief. She in there trying to get help. This person doing all kind of blood rituals. This person finna go crazy. This person's sick. This person's in bad health. The police about to get their ass too. Or this person is sending somebody to try to harm you. Yeah, this person is a thief. This person is very sneaky. Hoping. This person's sad. Sitting up in a room doing all kind of little rituals, trying to get help from overseas. This person's very arrogant. This person may pass from this stuff because this person is fake. Doing this to this sweetheart. Look, so this person in bad health. Bad health. This person just waiting for that demonic entity to come back and get her. Sitting there waiting, hoping and praying he don't come and get her. Trying to say she got love for this sweetheart. That she done paid this